me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a bucks in my face. Taking the gang out of space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus the cage. They sipping only 96. I can't do it on my own, yeah. They judging me off my mistakes. But so heavenly. Most of my friends and a friend of me. They tryna bring out the beast. I'm batting 1,000, my game is elite. I'm running around in the streets. They're tryna catch up, but they still can't compete. I thought they got in my sleep. He told me keep going, that's you gotta lead. Count it up, all the brothers came through, then we added up. They was asking me questions, I had it up. I've been running with God, I just leveled up. They won't speak to my face, got that antidote. They been putting me on like I'm one of those. I can see what they hate, that just ain't me. Tell me a place that I can't go. I don't think they get it, they don't understand. I do it for my homies and my fans. They don't see the vision, they just see the band. Eyes on the money like a rubber band. There's number one, I follow his command. You can try it, you won't get a chance. I keep on going till I can, and I'm abiding by His plan. They tryna hit me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a bucks in my face. Taking the gang out of space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus the cage. They sipping only 96.
Screaming, I don't think you guys can go faster than me. Thank you.
Silver step into the play, you bet I'ma hit it. What I'm doing in this game, I did in a scrimmage. Rappers wanna know this beef and burning up bridges. You done ain't dinner with pain, they just wanna admit it. Won't stop till I get it, speed it up when I'm winning. It's silver and undefined, period, no sin. They tryna give me the fit. I'ma say Jesus and risk it. Treasure in heaven, generation with them, I pass the baton on my kids. Had to make sacrifices for this. I can fake, had to cut off some friends. Vision laid ever since the beginning. Go get the bad, then bring it in. Every L was a lesson you did. Had a nest, had to handle the biz. I bought a whatchamacallit, and it's chilling right over the fridge.
They tryna hit me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a bucks in my face. Taking the gang out of space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus the cage. They sipping only 96. I can do it on my own. Yeah, they judging me off my mistake.
Sorry about that, Mitch. Stevie, come through. Thank you. Excuse me, come through, guys.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
It's okay. No, it's no problem. No problem.
You got all the way to the waterfall?
No, actually, I came down from the top. I came up from over Silmar, Olive Hospital Way, and then down. Actually, I started in Newhall, and I rode over the pass, and yeah, and then I went up that, and then come down this here. Yeah, that's where, and then go back down to, that's where I live, Newhall. Yeah. Oh, look at that thing. I'll jump over that. No, just kidding. Oh, it's not so easy. I thought this part was easy. No hurry, no hurry. No hurry. Oh, yeah. Okay. Thanks.